Video we are going to see some compound assignment operators, or we also say them as shorthand operators. So here initial value of a is 10, and now if we want to increment the value of a by 10, usually we write a is equals to a plus 10, and here you simply print the value of a. You will see that here the value of a is 10. Initial value of a is 10, but now it becomes 20. And if we want to use compound assignment operators, you can write a plus is equals to 10. And now here the value of a is 30. So in a similar way, so it simply means that these two expressions are equivalent expressions. So here we will see some more compound assignment operators today in this video. So here first of all, now see, if we want to subtract the value of a 10 from this value of a, so we can write usually this one, but using compound assignment operators we can write as minus equals to 10. This is also, so here these two expressions are equivalent expressions. Now if we want to double the value of a, usually you write a is equals to a into 2, but using compound assignment operators you can write a asterisk equals to 2. So this is equivalent expression of the previous one which I wrote just now. So this is by using compound assignment operator you can double the value. So here just check that. So initial value of a was 20, 10, then 20, then 30, then subtracted by 10, then it became 20, and then it became 10, and finally here we are just doubling the value of a here. So children, now suppose if we want to divide this value, if we want to just halve this value here, usually we write this one. Now see, the final value of a becomes 20, but if we use compound assignment operator here, you just write a divide equals to 2, so which is 10 again. So this is all about compound assignment operators or shorthand operators. Children, we will see some more compound assignment operators, one more use of, in fact, compound assignment operator, which is the tricky one. I'm going to explain. So here suppose the value of a is 4 and the value of a is 5, b is 5, and if we want to execute this expression, which is so what is the initial value of a? The initial value of a at this point is 4, and when control reaches here it was 4 only. Children, this is post increment, which is first used then increment. It means the value which will be used here during the execution is 4, and later on it will get incremented when it moves forward. So it simply means after its usage it becomes 5, and when it reaches here it was 5, and when it is used up then it became 6. Initial value of A was 4. When it reaches here like this, it was 4 only. When we used up the value it was 4 only, but after its usage it became 5. When it reaches here it was 5, and when it reached here it was 5, and before usage it becomes a 6, and here we are using 6. So it simply means the expression was like this. It was 4. When we used here it was 4 only, and after that when it was forwarded it became 5, and when it reaches here after it reached and before its usage it became 6. So this is what we are going to use. And now for this B, it is pre-decrement operator. So here it is what? It is before usage it became 4. And now just add up all these values, which is 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, which is 18. So here, if we want to display the value here, now you see that it is 18. So now I would like to use compound assignment operator, which is the equivalent. Here I would like to remove this, and here I would like to write A plus equals to, which is the equivalent expression of the previous one. So for the Java compiler, the expression will become A plus within bracket, A plus within bracket, and then copy this and paste this value here, this expression here. Children, this is the equivalent expression. If you put a comment over here, you will see the same output on the screen, which is 18. So always try to form the expression like this when you want to use compound assignment operators or shorthand operators. One more thing, children. Suppose you want to use asterisk equals to. So then also what will happen? This plus will get replaced by this asterisk. So the meaning of compound assignment operator is, first of all, this expression will get evaluated, and the result of that, first of all, this expression will get evaluated, and then the result of this will get multiplied with the initial value of A, and then the result will be printed on the screen. So let us see that. Here just put a comment over here. Now you see answer is 56, and if you remove the comment here and if you put the comments here, you see the answer is 56 again. So children, but if you remove these brackets, the answer will definitely change. So here in both these cases, you see that the result is different. So here in this case, the answer is 26, but here in this case, the answer is 56. So don't forget to put the brackets here while you are evaluating the expression with compound assignment operators. When you got the expression with prefix, postfix or whatever, here I hope you have understood this concept. So children, this is all about compound assignment operators, or we can say shorthand operators. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.